Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis last week several times, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But another very, very nice movement today, so updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line. Sure, that line pertains, just not relevant right now, and from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. First update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 53 cents, one of the newest areas of support going forward. What I would classify as the ideal level. I mean, if you were to say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally speaking, if the price can stay above 53 cents, that would be great. But if the price falls below that level, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Yeah, sure, staying above 53 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key dynamic that I'm curious about going forward going to be that resistance trend line right there. So keep an eye on that, and if the price can get a good high volume break of that area, then at that point, I mean, there's no such thing as a guarantee, but if the price could get the high volume break, wouldn't it be shocking at all to see the price get up there to 65 cents and beyond? So all in all, though, another nice move, higher highs, higher lows. That's what you want to see, and that's what this chart continues to do. The week is young, still 4 days left, so let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.